Google has had its ups and downs in the realm of image-generating AI, with a recent stumble involving its Gemini chatbot's image generator producing offensive inaccuracies. However, the tech giant is pushing forward with its latest offering, Imagen 2, within its Vertex AI developer platform, targeting a more corporate audience. Imagen 2, which is actually a family of models, launched in December after being previewed at Google's I/O conference in May 2023, can create and edit images given a text prompt, like OpenAI's DALL-E and Midjourney. Of interest to corporate types, Imagen 2 can render text, emblems, and logos in multiple languages, optionally overlaying those elements in existing images, for example, onto business cards, apparel, and products. The new iteration of Imagen introduces features like in-painting and out-painting, allowing users to manipulate images by removing or adding components and expanding image borders. But the centerpiece of the update is text-to-live images, enabling the creation of short, 4-second videos from text prompts. Google positions this feature as a marketing tool, particularly useful for generating GIFs for ads featuring nature, food, and animals. Despite its corporate focus, Imagen 2 faces competition from established video generation tools like Runway and Stability AI's Stable Video Diffusion. Critics question the technical advantages of Imagen 2's live images, especially considering its lower resolution compared to competitors. Google attempts to address concerns around deepfakes by implementing simplifies, a watermarking technology developed by Google DeepMind, though the effectiveness remains to be seen. Questions linger about the training data behind Imagen 2, with Google disclosing only that it primarily uses publicly available web data. Concerns arise regarding potential copyright issues and the lack of an opt-out mechanism for creators whose work might be included in the training data. Furthermore, text-to-live images are not covered by Google's generative AI indemnification policy, raising additional legal considerations for users. In conclusion, while Imagen 2 represents Google's continued efforts in the AI space, its reception among users may be tempered by lingering concerns over data privacy, copyright, and the effectiveness of its features compared to existing alternatives. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos.